Lollipops.
Which fruit tastes sour? Orange. Which is the tallest animal? Giraffe. Which fruit has yellow color? Banana. How many yellow squares are there? 3. Which one begins with the letter P? Peacock. Which animal is lighter in weight? Ostrich. Find the biggest fruit. Watermelon. Find the color of the pencil on the left hand side. Green. What is the first letter of the picture? B. Find the rhyming words of fun. Sun, run, bun. Find the same umbrellas. Third and fourth. Find the missing number. Six. Find the number 1. Things that can be found in your school bag. Books and pencils. Find the non-living thing. Telephone. Name the picture. What is the first letter? B. Find the animal. Find the missing letter.